It is an awesome spring day in the Protective Diet Test Kitchen, and I'm super excited because I have this beautiful rhubarb to work with. And I'm getting ahead of the spring harvest, and here I am topping my creations with Protective Diet's Royal Icing. So when you cut this cake, this one's a strawberry rhubarb variation, which you can make it just strawberry if you're not into the rhubarb. Spread it out a little before you put the royal icing on. Give it a whisk, that thins it out, and then you can just drizzle it on top. Just like that. And if you spread the slices out, then it'll drip down the sides of each slice, because that makes it look so beautiful, and on the back side of it. Go heavy. This is sugar-free icing, but you just want to make sure that you don't go so heavy that you cover up your beautiful ruby red strawberries and rhubarb. Protection of the season. And then this one I made in a square pan, so you can use your pie plate. Line them both with the parchment paper. Either way that you go, it'll make it really easy to do this. And then maybe you want to go the opposite that you laid the rhubarb. Go this way with your drizzle. Have fun with your royal icing. You really can't mess this up as long as you get more icing on the cake than your hands, I guess, or everywhere else. Take care, everyone, and best of health.